Give me a crash course on stress management, how to turn stress to your friend, also give interesting examples/stories. Stress is a natural and inevitable part of life. It can be caused by a variety of factors, including work, relationships, financial issues, and health problems. While stress can be unpleasant and uncomfortable, it can also be a powerful tool for growth and personal development. In this crash course on stress management, we will explore how to turn stress into a friend by learning how to manage it effectively. One way to turn stress into a friend is to reframe our mindset around it. Instead of seeing stress as something to be avoided or eliminated, we can view it as a challenge to be overcome. For example, imagine you are facing a deadline at work and feel overwhelmed with stress. Instead of letting the stress take over, you can reframe your mindset to see the deadline as an opportunity to push yourself and grow your skills. By shifting your focus from the negative aspects of the situation to the positive, you can turn stress into a motivating force. Another way to manage stress is to develop healthy coping strategies. These can include exercise, meditation, deep breathing, or spending time in nature. By incorporating these strategies into your daily routine, you can reduce the impact of stress on your body and mind. For example, research has shown that regular exercise can improve mood and reduce stress levels, while meditation can help you develop a more mindful and calm approach to stressful situations. It is also important to recognize the role that social support can play in managing stress. By connecting with others and sharing your experiences, you can gain a new perspective on your situation and feel more supported and validated. For example, imagine you are going through a difficult time in your personal life. By reaching out to a trusted friend or family member, you can receive emotional support and guidance that can help you manage the stress more effectively. Finally, it is important to develop a sense of resilience in the face of stress. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from difficult situations and adapt to changing circumstances. By cultivating a mindset of resilience, you can turn stress into a friend by using it as an opportunity to learn and grow. For example, imagine you lose your job unexpectedly. While this can be a highly stressful situation, by approaching it with a sense of resilience, you can view it as an opportunity to explore new career options and develop new skills. In conclusion, stress management is a critical skill that can help you turn stress into a friend. By reframing your mindset, developing healthy coping strategies, seeking social support, and cultivating a sense of resilience, you can effectively manage stress and use it as a tool for personal growth and development. Remember, stress is a natural part of life, but with the right approach, it can be a source of strength and inspiration.